Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, I have already shown you how to backend code for this registration, customer registration user control. So if you have not watched my previous video, then just go to the description. There I have put the link for my previous video, or you can simply do one thing. Just click on the suggestion on the right side of the screen. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to design this user control, that is customer checkout. Okay. So this is our complete project. That's why this button is functional. Okay, so let me move back to our complete project. So I'm going to close this, move back to our project in which we are working. We are working on hotel management videos. So I'm over here, and here let me just start this and show you. And here you can see this. Still here, the work is done. When I click on this customer out, checkout, nothing happens. So we have to design the user control for this one. So close this. First thing, what we have to do is, let me just close this. We have to add one user control. So go to Solution Explorer, click on this all user control, right click on this, click on add and select user control. You can see this. When you select this user control, you have to name something to this, and I'm going to name this one customer UC underscore customer checkout. And when you click on add, a new user control will be added. Here you can see this. Now user control is added. Now what we have to do is we have to change the color of this user control background color. So just right click and go to properties, and there let me just maximize this a little bit. And after this, what we have to do is we have to change the back color. So back color, here you can see this is controller. So select custom and select white. And now this one is white. And after this, what we have to do is we have to add this user control to the dashboard. Okay. So where is the dashboard? So here we find the dashboard over here. Let me close these functions. So dashboard is over here, and here we have to add it over here. So let me just do that. How to do that? So we are working on, let me just close these all stuff for now. If we need, we will reopen it. So this one. So first thing what we have to do is we have to add one Guna to ellipse to this user control. Just drag and drop it. So here you can see this. I have extra stuff, that is Guna stuff. So if you don't have, then just go to my description. There I put a DLL file. You can download it and just add that into your toolbox. And how to add the DLL file into this toolbox, I have already make a video on it, and that video link is also in the description. Okay, so I'm going to use this Guna to ellipse. So change few properties of this one from 6 to 26. Okay, so let me check for the previous user control what I have written it. Okay, so this one, let me just maximize this. So the size is 30. So let me change this one to 30. Hit enter. Move over here. Change this one to UC checkout target control and save this one. After this, what we have to do is we have to copy this one. Just right click, copy, move to dashboard, paste it over here, and here we have to change few properties. That is, change the target control from none to dashboard and save it. And after this, here you can see this. Move back over to the top, and here you will observe that we don't find UC underscore customer checkout. So how to do that? When you start this, after adding this Guna to ellipse, and let me close this, and now move back to toolbox again to the top, and you will find UC checkout, UC customer checkout is now over here. So let me just drag and drop it over here like this. Let me just minimize this one, and here we'll find this is on the proper position. And now what we have to do is we have to actually set in this button that when I click, this user control needs to be on the front. So just double click on this, and this will generate a click event. And here what we have to do is we have to write few stuff, that is UC customer checkout dot visible is equal to true, and after this UC checkout dot bring to front. Now start this and let's see if that button works or not. On checkout, here you can see this one is completely not in the maximized form, so we have to do that. Let me move back over here, and for now we have to change the color, the background color, so that we can see the difference. So I'm going to change this one to red. Just save this and let me remove this, and as we have observed, the size of this one is quite small, so we have to maximize the size of this one and just save this. Move back over here, just drag and drop this one. Okay, sorry, start this. Okay, so we have some error over here. Let me resolve that. Okay, so what is the error? Does not exist. Okay, let me drag and drop it. Now start this. Okay, so it's still not on the right position, so what we have to do is we have to delete this one and just drag and drop it once again, and now the color is changed. Now we can see the difference. Just log in and click on this, and here we'll find this one fits in the bottom but not on the right side. So let me maximize this little bit. So we have to maximize this one like this, and we have to maximize this one. Now start this and let's see if that perfectly fits or not. Okay, so this doesn't work like that, so what we have to do is we have to delete it from the dashboard and we have to add this one once again, and now we have to start this once again. Okay, so it's fit in the below but not on the right side. So what we have to do is we have to change one property. So just click on this and change this one to like this. Change the anchor from top left to right and bottom as well. Now start this and let's see if this works or not. Okay, so this one doesn't work, so we have to do more changes with that. So let me revert this one, change this one to top left for now. Now after this, what we have to do is we have to actually move back to our designing part of this user control customer checkout. So this is a little bit complicated but not that much. Okay, so I'm decreasing the size from the below, and after this I'm going to increase the size, this one from right side like this, and save this. I'm going to again delete this and add this once again, and start this. Okay, so it's causing a little bit of problem. We have to add few stuff. Move back over here, just click on this, and what we have to do is we have to change few properties of this one from auto size false to true, and start this. Okay, it's still not working, so let me check that out. So we are facing issue while we are adjusting this stuff. So what I will do is I will move back to the previous user control, that is UC customer registration, and move back over here, and I'm going to copy the size of this one and move back over here into the customer checkout. Just right click and go to properties, and I'm going to paste this one and hit enter. Now after this, what we have to do is we have to start this and just close this and move back to dashboard. Just delete this one and we have to reassign this one. Just drag and drop it and move back over here like this and start this and move back to login, check out, and here you can see this. Now this is on the perfect shape. Okay, so this is working fine. So now what we have to do is we have to change the color of this one to white and we have to add the controls over it. Okay, so now I'm going to do that. So just close this, move back over here, and let me just change the background color of this one. Just go to properties, change the back color from red to white. And after this, what we have to do is we have to add controls on this one. So I'm going to copy this one for now and I'm going to paste it over here and change the text for this one to customer checkout. Hit enter. And after this, what we have to do is we have to add few labels. I'm going to drag and drop labels. Just drag and drop it over here. Change this one to name. We have to increase the font of this one. So let me copy the size of this. This one is, so I have clicked on this. Century, Gotham, regular, and 11. If you don't find this font, so you can use any other font, whichever you like. Okay, so move back over here. Just go to font. Just click on this. And you have to write this one regular and size is 11 and hit OK. And after this, we need a text box. So I'm going to use the Guna 2 text box. So drag and drop it over here. And here, what we have to do is we have to just make this one large and change few properties. That is, first thing I'm going to change is placeholder text. Change this one to enter full name. And here you can see this, we have placeholder text. And after this, what we have to do is we have to increase the font of this one. So just go to font, click on this. We have to change this one to 11. Okay, so size of this text box is also changed, so we have to decrease the size. And after this, we have to change the style of this one. So let me change the border style from solid to, okay, so not the border style, actually we have to change the, let me check what we have to change. So we have to change the style, so default to material, and when you change this one, the border, three side border has been removed now. After this, we have to add few more stuff. That is, first thing I'm going to add the data grid view. So data grid view, so I'm going to use this Guna 2 data grid view. Just drag and drop it. And after this, what we have to do is we have to increase the size of this one like this. And after this, we have to change one properties of this one. So border style from none to fixed 3D, or you can change this one to fixed single. So fixed single is not looking that much nice, so I'm going to change this one to fixed 3D. And when you start this, and let's see if these items are added into our user control or not. So let me just log in this and check out, and here you can see this. Now the stuff is added, but we have one issue, that we have changed the color of this one to white, but it's still showing red. Why this? This is because we have not deleted the user control from here and we have not added this one once again. So what we have to do is I have just deleted the user control, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just drag and drop this one, and here you can observe that now the color is white. So now start this and let's see the difference. Now I'm going to log in, just move to checkout, and here you can see this. Now we have the stuff, but we have this, the front, this one below on this side. So why this is? Because we haven't added the all controls. So now I'm going to add the all stuff for now. So move back to our user control over here, and after this what we have to do is we have to stretch this one like this, and after this what we have to do is we have to add few more stuff. So I'm going to just copy this 2 and paste it over here. Just drag and drop it, copy this once again and paste it once again, and we need one more. So, and after this what we have to do is we have to delete the third one, and I need one date time picker. So I'm going to use this one, just drag and drop it, and after this I need one button as well. So I'm going to add one button over here. So button, so I'm going to use guna 2 button, just drag and drop it over here like this. And after this let me just start this and check now how this look like. Check out, and here you can observe we have all the stuff in the place and it's looking nice. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to change few properties of these buttons and these date time picker so that these look nice. So first thing what we have to do is we have to actually change the text of these labels. Okay, and text of these buttons, just click on this, change the text from name, leave it as name, and the second one change this one to room number, this one to checkout date, and change one properties of this one from format long to change this one to short. Now we have the time only, sorry, date only. And after this finally we have this button, so I'm going to change this one to checkout. And after this what we have to do is we have to change the border style. So let me select that border style from solid to dash dot and change this one to 1. Change the fill color to white and for color to black like this, and change this one to 11. Hit OK. Okay, sorry, let me just change this one to bold actually, and hit OK. And after this here you can observe we don't have the border for now, so let me do that. Border radius, sorry, border thickness, change this one to 1, and we have the dashed. And after this what I have to do is we have to change the border radius to 30. Okay, so now this one is looking better. And after this what we have to change is we have to change the hover state. So change this one to fill color, border color. Okay, so I don't want to change the border color, I want to change the fill color and for colors. So let me copy the fill color from the previous one. So this button, click on this. Okay, so hover state. Okay, so we don't have any hover state. Okay, so let me set that. Fill color will be zero comma 22. Okay, wait for a second. So I'm going to change hover state, so let me select that. And here what we have to do is we have to set the fill color to this one 0,118,221 and change the for color to white. And now save this. And after this what we have to do is we have to change the button mode or button, yeah, actually button mode. So change this one from default mode to toggle button. Now start this and let's see how this look like. Login, checkout, and when you click on this the color is changed. When I click on again the color is changed. Hover status. Okay, so now this one is looking nice. So that's it for this video guys. In next video I'm going to show you how to backend code for this customer checkout user control. So I hope you enjoyed coding and designing with me. So please subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you need the source code, just then contact me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.